Hey everyone, welcome back to Glenn's Note. In this video, we're going to talk about the inheritance pattern. The inheritance pattern helps manage documents with different but similar structures in a single collection. Imagine a scenario. We're building a social media app where we need to store text posts in a database. So we create a post collection to store post documents. After some time, we receive a new requirement to store posts with images, and these documents are often fetched together. According to the MongoDB's golden rule, data that is accessed together should be stored together. So we add a new type of document in the posts collection. It looks good and everything works fine. Whenever we need to determine the type of the document, we can simply write some code to check for the existence of specific field. A text post contains a text field, and an image post contains an image URL field. However, as the app grows, we need to support video posts. So again, we add a new type of document for video posts. At this point, we start to sense some code smell. Is this really the best way to store our data? Think about it. What if we need to introduce a new mixed type of post that includes both text and an image? Of course, we can write additional code to find documents that contain both fields. But we also need to modify the logic to find text-only and image-only posts. So it increases cognitive load and makes our code more error-prone. Furthermore, outside of our application code, whenever we need to query mixed-type documents in tools like Mongosh or MongoDB Compass, we need to write complex query like this. As the number of post types grows, we need a more manageable approach, and this is where the inheritance pattern comes into play. We add a new field in each document to indicate what post type this document is. In this case, we explicitly add a type field that specifies the type of each post. By adding the type field, we classify every post efficiently, instead of checking for the existence of multiple fields. We can simply filter by the type field. And if we need to find mixed type posts, we can do so with a simple query. So this is how inheritance pattern helps us manage schemas in MongoDB more easily. A common situation in real-world applications is that the schema design evolves over time. In this example, we might have documents without the type field initially. So we need to update the schema design by using the following aggregation pipeline. In this aggregation pipeline, we find documents that contain a text field in the match stage, and then set the type field of those documents within the set stage. Finally, we add a merge stage to update those documents based on their ID fields. For other type of posts, we can use similar aggregation pipelines. To summarize, the inheritance pattern is a way to manage documents with different but similar schemas within the same collection. We can distinguish different types of documents by checking a specific field, which makes it easier to query documents and reduce mental overhead. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.